watch us, man. Go Mama Jones, go Papa Jones, and we ain't watching nothing else, cause this who channel we on.
Right, today we are trying Buffetopia, something new, a different buffet, you guys, because as y'all know, Mama Jones love buffets. So we finna go check it out. They have seafood, the hibachi grill, and the sushi hot pot. Let's go check it out. You ready to check out the food, Mama? We finna go be big bags? Yeah, we gonna be big bags. Her nose running. We gotta clean our nose. Are you gonna eat? You gonna eat, girl? Huh? Check out Papa John's swag. He's swagging today, y'all. All right, so we're entering the inside, and this place is beautiful in the inside. Like, I just love it. The neon colors, you know, it's nice. So let's get on in here. Look at that cherry blossom tree. That is too cute. I love Humboldt. So yes, Buffetopia is in Humboldt, you guys, and here's just some stuff they have on the buffet. And here we going on around this side. There's some, look at that. All that with the tahini on it. So I'm just showing y'all everything that they have on the buffet. This is everything, and it's on the buffet between 3 p.m. So yeah, it's the sushi. I just fell in love with that clam shell, y'all. Look at that. Look at all that sushi. So if you love sushi, you'll love this spot as well. They even have some slushies that are bomb, you guys. Yes, check it out. You know a girl can't wait to try it. But I was like, let me go ahead and get y'all a glimpse of what they got going on in here. So when I do sit down, honey, y'all know what time it is. It's going to be a big bag moment for me. Y'all know I have to try everything. Here's the hibachi grill. Look, this everything on the hibachi. So, yeah. There's the crawfish, clams. They have the fish. That's blue crabs and boiled shrimp, fried shrimps, ribs. Yes, indeed. Look at that. You see that? Ooh, that's my plates, y'all. That's my plates starting out with. So, you know. Let's see what the hype is about. All right, so here we go. I'm about to try this sushi. And I know y'all like, why is she doing voiceover? They had a hollering baby in the background, you guys. That baby wouldn't be quiet. So, yeah, we had to do a voiceover. But I'm whipping up my wasabi sauce with some soy sauce.
Yeah, we're going to change it to lemonade.
I have to get that rush. A lot of people don't like it, but I love it. Especially with my steak, dipping a piece of steak in there, or eating with just my sushi.
I don't know how much it is,
me a rush, and I love that rush. And I got my chopsticks. I'm the only one at the table with chopsticks, y'all. That girl had a whole big bag moment up in there. And I really enjoyed it. So, yeah.
I gotta get my rush.
We're gonna
my rush.
get into this here, y'all. And they have so many different types of sushi. All right. Let's see, y'all. We finna try this. I'm finna tell y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it real with you.
She got her camera there. They can only see her. You full?
Already?
You bit off more than you could chew? Seen all that good stuff?
I might be a bit off more than I chew.
Girl, honey, I got 2 plates, so I know damn well you ain't done.
I just got my first bite.
The time y'all halfway done, I'll be hungry again.
Yep. She do it every time.
Yeah, because I'm waiting on them crab legs and them oysters.
Yeah. I heard them get them.
Crab legs and oysters, they put them out?
Not the crab legs, the shrimp. I heard them get them. They do the boiled shrimp with the blue crab. I couldn't even get with the shit. She had to pick all the shrimp out there from me. I go look, I just threw the shrimp.
You want some more French fries, Gigi? Yeah? I'm gonna go get you some, okay? You want chicken nuggets? Yeah? Okay.
Man. Oh, that's the Shaggy Dog. It's good. It's good. I promise you it is. I wouldn't even lie to you. We got that across the street at Shogun.
I done messed up mine though. I ain't gone. I got one left.
When she took us across the street to Shogun, we had it. It was good. Oh, and she's gonna bring you
That's
a
caviar.
lemonade. That apple juice ain't free refill. They charge for every time they bring a bottle.
I don't never really make sweets.
Well, you got French mates. I don't think you need to make the sweet.
You sure know what to say now. I'm just gonna be big back today, y'all. So far, so good.
Check it out. Let me
So
know
far,
what you
so
think.
good.
Oysters.
Check it out. Let me know what you think. I rated a C+. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.
Head ass gang, 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 on that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head.